Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an existing post ad in Facebook. Let's jump in and get creative. I'm here in my Facebook ad account, and I need to select the campaign and the ad set I want to create this existing post ad in. So I'm going to select this one, then I'm going to open up the ad set, then I'm going to click the green create button in the top left-hand corner. At this stage, I can choose to enter the name of this ad, or I can just click continue to move through to the ad creation process. As you can see here, we have a familiar setup. We're going to work through these white modules from top to bottom, moving through them chronologically. Let's jump into Facebook and start making this ad. Awesome. So I'm going to name this ad existing post ad. I definitely recommend adding attributes of your ad that let you immediately recognize how you set up this ad. You might want to include the fact that this is an existing post ad in your taxonomy, in your naming conventions, so that you know what this ad is when you glance at the title. Awesome. Under partnership ad, we can toggle this on if we're collaborating with any influencers. For the purpose of this video, we're not going to be collaborating with influencers, but in the next video, I'll show you how to make an ad that is a partnership ad with influencers or even other brands. Awesome. Back into Meta here. Under identity, we need to make sure we've selected the right Facebook page and the right Instagram account. If you work with multiple businesses, let's say an agency or a holding company, it's possible that you'll see a different Facebook page and a different Instagram page than the ad account you're currently advertising in. Make sure it's the right one, otherwise it could be an awkward conversation. Back here in Meta, we have the opportunity to add branding and AI text and image generation. If you don't want to add this, we don't have to get into this now. Under ad setup, click the drop-down that reads Create Ad and switch to Use Existing Post. Then we'll get the opportunity to select a post from our feeds. As you can see here, we have our Facebook profile, we have our Instagram account, and we have partner content as well. So we can select an influencer's post if we have a partnership with that influencer. I'm going to select one of our Instagram posts. I'm just going to select the most recent one. Now you can see the primary text is automatically populated, but we have the option to add additional text options and even grab a text option that we've used previously with this dropdown, right? Here, if I click text used previously, I can copy text from a previous ad, add another text option, and paste it in place. Awesome. I can even use Meta's Advantage Plus creative text generation, which are made with AI. But in my opinion, sometimes these are a little bit goofy, so I definitely recommend reviewing them before you select them or after you select them, right? Just reviewing them before you publish them. Awesome. Back into Meta here. Under call to action, we do need to select a button. So I recommend selecting a button like Shop Now, Order Now, or something similar, right? You probably don't want to select a CTA like Watch Now. Might not be the most relevant to your audience if you're running ads for a direct-to-consumer product. Back into Meta here, we're going to highlight our promotions. This should already be selected for you, and it should automatically be sourcing codes from your website and checking if they're still valid. But if it isn't, I definitely recommend checking this and automatically sourcing codes from your site, right? Under email sign-up offers, we can optionally add this, and you'll see that this is actually generating an email sign-up offer for you from Commerce Manager. So if you're uncomfortable with the 15% off default offer that it provides, head to your Commerce Manager and change this. Awesome. Under this, we can select Advantage Plus Creative Enhancements. These are AI optimizations to your ad that you can make directly in the Meta platform. However, sometimes these are a little bit goofy, so I definitely recommend reviewing these as well. This is how you can do that. Open this up, click Edit next to Enhancements, and you should see a preview of what these enhancements will look like, right? The music one is definitely one to check out in advance because sometimes this can be really off-brand. And if you're an agency running ads for clients, I recommend just turning this one off. Your clients are not going to be happy with the automatically selected music from Meta, right? So just turn this one off and save yourself a headache. Back into Meta. When we are happy with our enhancements and maybe we've turned off the music enhancement, we can click Save in the bottom right. Awesome. Then under tracking, we can add offline events and build our URL parameters the same way we did before. So that is how you can build an existing post ad in Meta. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much.